Deciding between a new or used car is a personal and financial choice that involves weighing various factors. New cars offer the allure of the latest features, reliability, and warranty protection, presenting an attractive package for those with a higher budget. Additionally, they often come with financing deals and the pride of ownership associated with a brand new vehicle. However, the downsides include the steep initial cost, quick depreciation, higher insurance expenses, and the inevitable loss of new car status. On the other hand, used cars provide a more economical option, as they have already undergone significant depreciation, making them cost-effective. Warranties may still be available, and insurance costs tend to be lower. However, potential downsides include higher mileage, limited selection, and fewer consumer protections compared to new cars. The buyer must also contend with the uncertainty of the vehicle's history and potential maintenance costs. The decision should consider not only the upfront price, but also ongoing costs such as maintenance, insurance, and fuel. New cars may cost less in repairs initially, while used cars may require more maintenance, but incur less interest on loans if paid in cash. The current interest rate environment also plays a role in this decision. Ultimately, the choice between a new or used car depends on individual preferences, budget constraints, and the balance between upfront and long-term costs. The 24-10 rule, advocating for a 20 down payment, 4-year repayment terms, and 10 less spent on monthly transportation costs, offers a practical guideline. It is essential to ask relevant questions when buying a used car, considering safety ratings, warranty details, and certification status. In conclusion, whether one opts for a new or used car, careful consideration of financial implications, individual needs, and market conditions is crucial in making an informed decision. Please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.